Sarura Kids.
So what we've got today is we've got a toy parade. So all your toys are in a line going for a little walk. So here we've got the horses, and the horses are going for a little walk together. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. And here we've got all the cars. Yeah, we've got all the cars, and the other one has got two more horses. Oh, there were two horses. I don't know where the other... Ah, there's the other one. There's two horses. And then the other one's got all the animals. So all your animals can play together. So you can tell them what you want them to do.
No,
They're going to the park, are they? Okay, so which animals are going to the park?
these ones.
Okay, what are they going to do at the park?
That cannot come into.
And the car's not coming?
No.
Okay, so who's going to the park?
Only my best friend. Cathy.
The cat is your best friend? Oh, so where's the cat going to go?
Let's go park.
Okay, so you can take the cat to the park.
Okay.
And where is the park? Down the road?
No. What would you say? Little baby cat.
The little baby cat is going to the park. Hello, cat. Meow.
Okay, down there. In there.
Yay.
Listen, I need to work best friend. Okay, best friend, horsey.
Yes, the best friend is the horsey.
Best friend, go.
Hello, horsey.
Where my best friend go? Where cat ears go?
I don't know where cat's ears have gone.
There, kitty ears.
Hello, little kitty. You've got your ears.
That car.
Yes, that's a car. Vroom, 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 vroom.
Car coming too.
The car's coming. Is the cat riding on the car?
Yeah.
What a clever little cat.
Little car on cat.
And all the animals are still waiting in a little line.
And baby Dory too.
And baby Dory too. Is Daddy Dory coming as well?
Yeah.
Oh, Mummy Dory.
No.
It's a Daddy Dory, is it?
That's Mum Dory. It's coming too.
Okay, we're all going to the park.
Play my car.
Yes, you can play with your car. Vroom, 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 vroom.
Help.
Vroom, 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 vroom.
My boy. My boy.
Where is the boy? Is the boy not upstairs?
No.
I think we left the boy upstairs.
In the bar.
Yes, we might have left him in the bath. In the box?
Yeah.
Yes, in the box that's upstairs. That's where you can find the boy. But right now we can find all your toys in a row. And, oh, you want to put the boy in the car? Oh, okay. We'll ask Daddy to go and get the boy for you in a minute, okay?
Okay. It's working.
It's working! Yay!
Let's move again.
The car is going vroom, 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 and it's got one little horsey in the back. That's your magic colouring in book. I think we used all the papers in that one already, didn't we? So Mummy's got to throw it away. What's that?
It's not working. It's run out.
Is it turned off? Show Mummy.
It's working.
Yay! Yay! Oh, bless you. Bless you. This is the way we brush our teeth early in the morning.
That's a button. Hand. Goodbye, friends.
See you later.
Good.
Bye.